Let's take a break to admire the nature-created beauty of adorable jungle bliss. Created by Professor Shaw. 1. The forests. Verdant and teeming with life, forests purify our air and provide refuge, embodying the pulse of nature. Dense, tropical forest with rich biodiversity, thick vegetation, and a humid climate, home to many plants and animals. The jungle is teeming with songbirds, waterfowls, sea birds, wading birds, hummingbirds, parrots, sparrows, caco birds, pigeons, ducks, swans, etc. And animals, elephant, lion, tiger, chitas, kolas, monkeys, bear, giraffe, and so on. 2. The gardens. Harmonious and colorful, gardens are sanctuaries of peace, blending nature and human creativity in a symphony of life. Surfaced with colorful roses, jasmines, lavenders, nameless wonder flowers are panoramic and cool vision to eyes. 3. Fruit-giving trees. These trees symbolize abundance, offering delicious fruits that connect us to the earth and nourish us, having their own taste and dynamic structures so lucrative to attract and to create sudden appetite. 4. Natural waterfalls. Waterfalls are natural cascades where water flows over a vertical drop or cliff, often creating picturesque landscapes and misty environments. They can vary in size from small streams to massive torrents. 5. Related rivers. Rivers are large natural watercourses flowing towards an ocean, sea, lake, or another river. They originate from sources like springs, melting snow, or rainfall and are vital for ecosystems, agriculture, and human settlements.